let's continue on chapter 2, create your own comic. We now move to the 0202 to modify Scratch characters with several exciting tasks waiting for us. Let's do this all together. So in last video, we already have our sprites called rename that to Catalina. And let's from here to save that to another name. Now is the second video, so we call that is 2.2. And let's see how we can modify Scratch character. You can use the bitmap painting tool. It's this one, so it's not separate. It's just under costume with certain tools. To modify bitmap graphic are made of a small square, so you can see every is the black or white squares. It's not a vector, it's just our bitmap. So we can change that, we can make that bigger. So when you see the bigger is not look at so clear. Beware if you enlarge your bitmap sprite too large, they will become pixelated or kind of blurry. So although you will be zooming in on the paint editor, zoom in doesn't affect the quality. So let's do that. So first select character by clicking this sprite icon. So we already did that. And click the costumes tab. We see is indeed more than one. So we click this running character. If you want to change others, you can change through this clicking. What we will do in this sample, we do like this one. Change the custom name to something more descriptive. I change that to costume name. So here is the Hana running. So let's Hana A. So I just change this costumes name. So you can see here is B, here is C. So that is the difference. Let's make that running. Click the zoom in. So how much now? So I cannot see the zoom size. Where is the zoom? I make this smaller so that I can see here. From where I can see how large I already zoomed. There's no information here. But if I put this here, that is 100. Let's enlarge this. 1, 2, 3. I think it's 400. Take a few minutes to study the shape of your character's face, hairstyle, and clothes. Scratch give you the power to change any of those features. So let's do this together. So first, let's paint our mask. So this is on the around the eyes. So we paint our yellow part. Let's click the brush. So this one is starting to do the drawing. Click the color wash. So we will do this. Let's see the color swatch you wish to use. I'll start with the bright. So we will have the bright color, bright yellow. Click the drag the line. So here the line is like this. Let's just make our test. So it's like this way, you see. So let me use Control Z. So then that can be disappear. If I make this here, let's see whether it's too heavy. So let's Control Z and make this smaller. So I think let's make that half. And also put that even bigger on the surface face. So let me see if I can draw something like here. Yeah, great. And with this leg and another one, try to while use your mouse. and that's the another leg. Okay, so if you make that smaller, that is something like that, but you can also adjust some further. So make that like our glass. Okay, your character sprites remain the same size on the stage no matter how zoom in. So like here. So if you make that, you can see it's already have this interesting mask first. So now we moving forward. So you have some practice is how you can draw something. Then we practice to remove something. So ensure you are not in this paint. So let's make that bigger. And what we will going to do is we will use the, I think it's now, zoom in, click the erase tool. Erase now is this one, eraser. Use the slider in the paintbrush to change the eraser size. So eraser size is here. So it's I think it's good enough. So start with a larger size, 40, and then gradually reduce size to eraser. So we will do this gradually. Click and drag over. Here is you cannot just click. So click is erase one time, and you can drag that. You can also click just a spot one time to erase an individual area or create a hole. So use the undo if you make mistake. So what we will going to do is we will erase those long hair. So I can drag here. So hold your mouse. So that need your carefully control your mouse. And if you shape to here, try to decrease the size. Let's decrease to smaller. Then that's ensure is you can even is make that bigger, then decrease eraser. So that is kind of our painter. So yeah, so try not to do the wrong things. But you have the Control Z, so you can do undo. So that's no matter. So I just wanted to ensure it's here. So we did those, yeah. And let's also remove all this blue one. Yeah. Keep one more. Okay. Then it's like here. So let's make that larger. So it's like a boy now, so not a girl. So draw a straight line. So now let's practice how to draw lines. So use the brush tool. So the brush tool is this one. So it's line. So click the line, select a color. So let's select blue, red color. Here is more right. Right. So you can see here, if you make that not in the strict, is have some the blurring, or you can drag that exactly as in the horizontal or vertical. Then that is the straight line. So let's press Control plus Z, and you can undo this. Let's say we select a color, and what we will do, use the color to draw here. So let's draw this arm. So again, with our yellow, and choose the width. So 10 is not enough. 15. Yeah, 15 I think is good. So you can use here is just drag to the upper arm, yeah, like this one. And what we will do is we will make several parts. So here the front arm should be smaller. We are putting here, and we have our back. And you must agree that leg should be bigger. So let's draw down. It's still not so big. Let's use that. And here also I have make that bigger. You can draw like me, it's 2 times. Also continue here, and then make either straw, or you can make that zoom out. So here we can make, yeah, something like this, and another leg. After you finish drawing, make this, you can directly call this equal sign, then this back to the 100. Then we have this one now. So we finished the straight line drawing. Now let's practice the fill. So this is the fill. Zoom in to on the part of the character you want to change. What we want to fill is on the body part. So it's this white one. Now we want to fill with the orange. So we click fill icon and go to the orange. So where is the orange? It's in the little left. Yeah, like this. Now let's click the area you want to change. It's here. Here, if I do, you can see just one click, they choose all the same color area and make the paint. And we also will paint the upper one. And let's see what, oh, it's not all paint, so let's zoom in. So you can keep painting, make those detail adjustment with all those kind of the white part. We will paint that to the orange, so that it will looks better. So again, this need a certain curve, but no worry if you do the wrong paint, then it just Control Z. So nowadays, I hope it looks good. And again here, so we don't want to leave some light color. Light color should become with our paint. And as well as here. So once you zoom out, you can see it looks very nice. And we will also draw something to have here. So if I put here, it's not work, so we need to draw some and then make that paint. But later, let's do this all together. So here I will alternate between line tool and brush tool to add more orange custom parts, including orange glove and boots. So we will have the here. So we will use the line tool, not so huge. So let's make that smaller, and we draw like here, like our Superman. So first, then do this. Oh, it's still too big. You can use yourself make your own artist. So let me do like here, and just to ensure it's closed. Then after that, you can use the fill. Click here and fill that. And also let's make the boots. So again, back to the line. And what we'll make is boots is here. Come to here. Come to here. Here, let's make some change a little bit. So like here. Yeah. Once you did that, it's append just one. And also here is a little bit tricky, so you need to make that and so you can also like here. So, but we don't have this append size, so you just drag and to see whether it's kind of faster for you. And for those if not covered, you can even zoom in to do that. Here, let's don't forget about this area. Okay, another boots back to the line, and we go here. Because it's a line, so you need to change the directions to make this work. Yeah, finish this like here, here. I spent this part is easier, and here let's do drag. So that is sometimes happened. So don't try drag that outside. So if you move slowly, it's even more effective. Yeah, if you are doing the same thing, try let's compete is who fast. So here, here. Yeah, I should make that bigger. Yeah, smaller. You can use your mouse scroll wheel to do that. So another part is let's make this. Anything missing is possible. It can fly. Let's have a long flow cap. So make that smaller first. Then from here, then we have that line. So let's make our strict line. So like here, and make that like here. You don't need to make that exact same as what I draw. So you can have your own choral creation. So let's make this part. And then this area is we can use the erase tool. So here, let's see the oversize. Small still. That is good enough. So just like bite something. Yep. So it's back to the selection. So have our effect look here. So it's quite nice for now. And if I make that smaller, bigger one. And we will make some black line. So here, let's make color, go to black. Here is the black. Here is the black, just 0. And let's make that smaller. From here, we will draw just like the boom, like this umbrella booms. So Control Z, and here, here. Look at here. This looks nice now. And draw O and the circle. So what we will draw, line tool give you smoother edge than the brush tool. So if you want to draw something, so brush tool is just random. So but it's free. But the line tool we can draw some the edge better. So what we will do is we will make those edge. So let's use line tool and make that a little bigger. So now we have here, we make one line. Looks is too heavy. Let's use 2. So you can test from your the exact comfortable part. So like here, so I can do like this. And you can also drag something here. And change here to a ball. So we first erase the hand. You can see now how easy you can change something and make our circle. You can shift this circle with our outline. So this outline, then we need to have our colors. Yeah, this one, if you don't want this are different orange, you can use this one. So let's click here. You can see it's just kind of the things. Now we have the exact same color. Like here, let me draw this. Yep. But that's good enough. So let's come to, I can also make paint with here. Just I want this blue. So now I have here, I can make all my boots. Just ensure you cover all the boots color. Yeah, you take more time here, then you get more nice result for your character. So this one, and we have another one here. And I put this here with this area. And here. And then I don't need, yeah, let's finish those drawing first. And for those blue ones, we can delete that easily. Okay, then that's good enough. Let's make the erasing. So it's too big. So what we want to erase is anything not in our black line. So you don't need to make this too clean. So it's good enough, then that's fine. So a little bit here. Then what you need to do is let's use this color. Then we can, so that's the wrong color. So I need this yellow. Then as long as it's quite yellow, I think it's fine. So if I make this smaller, so now you can see it's almost our character. And then what we will do is we will have this one. So that can be done by this splash brush. So you can see here, you can have your freestyle. Then put yellow inside. And then what I will do is I have the edge with this orange color. So I put brush, try to find out orange, make that bigger. So you can see here. As long as it's like our fire. So you can see here, that is your effect. Then that will be good enough. So until now, we finished this character change. You can also drag your character here on the street. So I hope these are the nice stage you are doing. So, and next video we will make that storytelling boxes. So I hope you are enjoying until now, making your own characters, and you can, before end is you can save again, override this. Now we have our second program. And see you in the next video. We do this tell your super story parts. Thank you.